One sunny day, Elsa and Jasmine decided to go on an adventure. Elsa, with her shimmering ice blue dress, and Jasmine, wearing her bright green outfit, were ready to explore the world in a way they never had before. Jasmine had a magic carpet, and she invited Elsa to join her for a ride through the skies. As they soared high above the clouds, Elsa used her magic to make the air cool and refreshing. Jasmine laughed and twirled, feeling the wind in her hair. The carpet swirled and dipped, soaring over snowy mountains, sparkling lakes, and forests full of tall trees. It was a perfect day for a ride. But suddenly the weather started to change. The sky grew darker, and a cold wind blew around them. Elsa frowned and waved her hands to calm the wind, but it was too late. A strong snowstorm appeared out of nowhere, surrounding the magic carpet in swirling snowflakes. Elsa shivered as the snow began to cover everything around them. "Jasmine, we need to land," Elsa shouted above the howling wind. The magic carpet tried its best to steer through the storm, but the snow was too thick. It was like they were trapped in a giant snow globe. Just when they thought they couldn't go any further, the storm suddenly cleared, and they found themselves floating above a glowing, sparkling kingdom high in the sky. It was a hidden place that no one had ever seen before. The kingdom was surrounded by tall, shining towers made of ice and snow. It looked like a beautiful frozen palace, with walls that sparkled like diamonds. Snowflakes twirled in the air, and the ground was covered in soft, glittering snow. "This must be the hidden kingdom of the snowstorm," Jasmine exclaimed, wide-eyed. "It's a place where only the bravest adventurers can go." Elsa nodded. "It's magical, but we should be careful. We don't know what's here." They stepped off the carpet and onto the snowy ground. The moment they did, a gentle voice echoed in the air. "Welcome, travelers," it said. "You have entered the kingdom of the Sky Queen." From the shadows, a figure appeared, an elegant queen made entirely of ice. Her gown shimmered in the sunlight, and her hair sparkled like frost. She looked at Elsa and Jasmine with a warm smile. "Who are you?" Elsa asked politely. "I am the Sky Queen," the figure replied. "I protect this kingdom, and I sense that you are special. You both have great hearts and bravery. This is why you were brought here by the blizzard carpet." Jasmine and Elsa exchanged surprised glances. "What do we need to do?" Elsa asked. The Sky Queen looked at them kindly. "The snowstorm is my challenge to the outside world. It brings those with pure hearts here, so that they may help me. There is a powerful storm at the heart of this kingdom, and it's causing the snow to become too cold and endless. If you help me calm the storm, this kingdom will stay hidden and safe, just as it should be." Elsa looked at Jasmine, and they both knew what they had to do. Elsa could use her magic to calm the snow and ice, and Jasmine's bravery would help them face the challenge together. They made their way to the center of the kingdom, where the storm was raging. Elsa stretched out her hands and summoned her ice magic. The storm howled louder, but Elsa's magic grew stronger. With Jasmine by her side, they worked together, focusing their energy on stopping the storm. Slowly, the winds began to settle, and the snowflakes floated gently down instead of swirling wildly.